Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 dies from Andy's shop. And 2 of them are for card makers or really for whatever you want. But I think the card making dies are so freaking cute. So let me show you real quick. First of all, let me show you this one right here. Let me move this up. Hold on. Okay, so this die right here is a pillow box. And it comes with the layering and the word gift. And it looks like this. I think it's so really cute. The bow is from my stash. That's the word. And it has the little layering piece. It also comes with the layering piece for the handle. So how cute is that? You can maybe put this like on a wine bottle. Maybe open it in the back. Put maybe a little gift card or something. But I think this one is really cute. Then we have these right here, which is these nesting dies. These are perfect for card makers. The biggest one is almost 7 inches actually. It's a nice size by 5 3/4. And did I use all of them? Yes. So I used all the layers right here. I did a simple card just because I wanted to focus on the die itself. So it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers. It comes with this little piece right here. It's really cute. It's like a little, hold on. Okay, it comes with this one right here. And I like the little border. It's like very princessy. And the little layering piece. And this one itself, because it's a very plain card, I cut the little princess pieces off. And then I put the white one on top. This piece right here is from the other card I'm going to show you. And I think it came out really cute. Again, you could turn this into a card. I'm making these mostly as, what are they, like the postcards? I just write a little something something in the back. Put it on top of my Happy Mail. And there. Quick and easy. Then I did this one. This one is using this one right here. I didn't use all of them. I left that one in there. And this one comes with 1, 2, 3, 4 layers. And I think it came out so freaking cute. Again, I did not turn them into a card. But if you do want to turn them into a card, just cut the bottom piece twice. You could do a little score right here. And then just bend it. Mine's are just quick little postcards. Look how cute. And then this die right here, this bow is adorable. That's actually a different die. That is, right here, is the bag topper. So he also has a bag topper with that bow. Isn't that bow really cute? Like, I love that one. All right, guys, so this was just a quick video. I just wanted to show you some more. I'll be coming back showing you some more project shares. And check the description bar for all the links. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.